Case against Blackman and Co. adjourned as court awaits COVID results for defendants.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The trial of the 33 alleged members of the London gang failed to get underway on Monday morning, October 4, as 2 of the defendants are awaiting the results of COVID-19 tests. When the matter resumed in the Home Circuit Court this morning, Chief Justice Bryan informed that Andre Golding and Owen Ormsby were tested and the results are expected by Tuesday. Both men are being housed at a St. Catherine facility where positive COVID-19 cases have been detected. In the meantime, the judge expressed concern that the defendants were not able to join the hearing remotely. He, however, stressed that the situation must be addressed to ensure that this is possible. The trial is set to resume on Tuesday, with a former member of the gang continuing his testimony, which is expected to close tomorrow as well. Meanwhile, the witness during his testimony late last week said a soldier was reportedly among the alleged members of the London gang, who served as armed bodyguards for Andre Blackman Bryan. The prosecution's witness appeared to have forgotten all about the alleged bodyguard, known only to him as Jermaine, but quickly picked him up while he was doing a doc identification of another alleged member of the gang, using the video link technology via which he is also testifying. "Show me back that man in a long-sleeved white shirt," he hastily asked after he was shown a visual of the defendants in courtroom number 2. The witness, who had been detailing the roles and ranks of some of the alleged members, indicated that he had forgotten to tell the court about Jermaine. Chief Justice Sykes then intervened and asked him how he had known that defendant. "Jermaine is a soldier. He used to be by my house protecting Blackman with a gun," the witness answered, explaining that it was the defendant who had told him that he was a soldier. According to the witness, he had seen Jermaine at his house about 2 times when Blackman was there. When asked by the prosecutor what Blackman was doing at his house on the day that he had seen Jermaine with the gun, the witness said he was there chilling and hiding from the police.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!